Hello and welcome to another episode of Train Lee Installations. Today I'm reviewing this locomotive that I just finished up. It's a LGB 20892 or 20892 Sumpter Valley Railway Mallet locomotive. For this locomotive, I installed a Zimo MS950 with a customized or updated sound project from Heinstappen originally. Additionally, I installed pulsed smoke using a specialized designed 3D printed mount for the smoke generator. So let's go ahead and review the different function keys of it and show you it operational. As standard, F8 turns on the sound. And then F0 turns on the headlights. And with F0, when you turn F0 on, I also programmed it to turn on the cab light with that. And then F1 is your bell. F2 is the long whistle. F3 is the highway crossing whistle. F4 is the shunting mode, and what F4 does, or the shunting mode does, is when I turn on F4, it turns on the front and the rear headlights, as well as the cab light. It reduces the momentum, shifts it into light load operation, and then it'll also turns off the automatic brake sound, so they don't squeal when it comes to a stop. So just kind of back up a little bit. That is under shunting mode. I'll turn off shunting mode there. And then F5 allows you to independently control the cab light, allowing you to turn it off if it is on already. And then turn it back, or if you don't have the headlights on, you can turn the cab light on by itself. So, and then F6 turns on our smoke. I'll come back. I'll show you that a little bit. Back it up. Oh, it takes a little bit to heat it up sometimes. There it goes. Nice stop. Now, I'm going to jump to F15 briefly. F15 is the blower. Whenever that is, it plays automatically, but if the smoke is on, it's supposed to activate the smoke. I have to double check that. Oh, I should also reference the DCC address has been set to the same as reflected on the cab of the locomotive, which is 250. And then, so we'll come back to I left off at F6. F7 disables that brake squeal. So, when you back it up, you have the the brake screw turned off. And then if I go turn it back on, if I move forward, that's the automatic brake screw. And that's what F7 disables that from happening. So F8 is your running signs, F9 is the flange squeal, and that only plays with movement. And then F10 and 11 are the volume controls. So F10 increases it, F11 decreases the volume. Okay, after that you have the cylinder scheme. So, and then you have the, let's see, F13, which is the coupling. F14 is the air pump. And F15 the blower. F16 is the injector. And then F17 is the safety valve. And those are all the basic functions of this locomotive. And you see it works quite well, runs quite well. Again, this is an LGB 20892 Sumpter Valley Railway. And I'm Christine McNary with Train Lee Installations, and I did this locomotive. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to converting one of your locomotives.